Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to help you fix your iPhone volume buttons if they're not working. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're on your iPhone and say you're on Instagram and you're trying to watch a story or a video on Instagram and the volume buttons just aren't working, or if you're on a call and you're trying to increase the volume and you keep tapping that button up and it's just not working, I'll walk you through a few different ways to get it working again. Now, let's just head into Instagram here. I'm going to open up Instagram and find a video. So there's a video here and I can tap on it and you can see that I can tap the volume buttons up and down, and you can see at the left here a little volume icon shows up. Now, if you're trying to tap that and it just doesn't appear, one of your options is to swipe down from the top right here, and you can see a volume icon right here, right next to the brightness. So you can increase that volume while watching a video, and that will let you kind of, listen to the video and get some audio in the video. So that's one way to get that audio or that volume up and working again. Another way is you can see right next to the volume up buttons, there's kind of a silent mode. So you can switch that from silent or vibrate mode over to the normal mode, and that should automatically turn on the sound on your iPhone. So if the volume buttons aren't working, try this, the silent mode toggle that you can toggle forward and back. Try to toggle it forward so it's not on silent mode anymore. That's one way to get your volume working again. Another thing, if you've gone through these steps and it's still not working, is potentially take off your case if you have a case on your iPhone and just make sure all around these buttons, the volume up and volume down button, are nice and clean. Get like a Q-tip and clean around them and make sure there's no kind of debris that could be causing that volume button to not work properly. Now, the next step, if that's not working as well, is to go into settings here. And then we're going to go down to general and then go down to transfer or reset iPhone. And once you're here, we're going to go to reset, and you want to reset all settings, the top option to reset all those settings. This helps sometimes if there's a bug in the iPhone iOS itself for the settings that you have. It's good to kind of reset that. Again, that's kind of changes a lot of your settings and everything, so you don't necessarily want to immediately go to that option as a first option. But if nothing is working to kind of adjust that volume on your buttons on the side of your phone, then you can go in and try to reset the iPhone. If again that doesn't work, then I just take it into Apple and say, hey, the volume buttons aren't working. They'll run a diagnostic on your iPhone to see what's up, see if they can get those buttons working again. And if it's under warranty, they might just give you a brand new iPhone so that you have a new one that the buttons do work. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.